Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. And as you can see guys, that today in this video I'm gonna show you some beautiful patterns of boho bags, and these are shoulders bags, sling bags and handbags, and you can put anything to it, and these are very comfortable and very handy and very cost effective as compared to other market price bags. And you can customize it in any color, in any design, like some granny square, some circles, some patterns, some flowery patterns. Each and any type of design you can customize it by your own self if you love to yarn. There are so many color schemes and patterns. You can customize it in any color, in any design and in any pattern, and you can carry it on casual and on formal occasions. It's all up to you guys. So if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite crochet boho bags patterns from this video. Thank you.